Question number A of the database assignment. I hope it is visible. Don't worry about the visibility. I think my camera is not that good. Anyway, I will going to tell you. I will going to put my scale at every point, and I will going to tell you what it's written where. Okay, so it would be easy for you in order to go through it. By the way, this whole diagram I have drawn for you for your understanding. It is not directly related to the our diagram, that is this one. It is not having any direct relationship with this. I will tell you what is this, but anyhow I make it for you so that you can understand it better. Anyway, so they told us they have given some conditions in the question number 1. They told that you have to make a table, that is the reality show table. So that reality show is basically consisting of a genre, basic information, and participant, and they have given that the participant can be 2. There cannot be 1, at least 2. Okay, it can be more than 2, but it should be at least 2. So we have took a reality show name Survivor, whose genre is drama, which is basic info is education, and the participants are John and Bob. Okay, and then we have took Kid Nation, its genre is sitcom, then entertainment, and Joseph and Ara, and we having Tarak, which is having the genre of comedy, and basic info is fun, and we having a participant as Ram and Hari. So what is this? Participant and everything, you can fill anything here, right? But we are just wrote it for the understanding purpose. You can wrote any name, anything you can wrote here. We have just did it for the purpose of understanding. Okay, so then they told us, they have been giving us the second condition, that when you make a table for every producer, by the way we have to make entity relationship diagram. We are just representing in this way so that we can understand the diagram better, and we can write the entity and relationship in a easy way, in a best possible way. That's why we did it. So now for each producer, that they told that there will be at least there will be a producer, one producer for every show. For example, the Survivor is produced by A, Kid Nation is produced by the producer B, the name of the producer A, B and C here, and the Tarak is actually produced by the producer whose name is C. Okay, getting it? Great. And the C name, which is the name of the there are two attributes here, the C name and the C country, which is this show, reality show is having I'm sorry, C name and C country is a different thing. Let me tell you what it is. So C name stands for the company name, and C country stands for the company country. For example, Survivor's company name, which is produced by producer A, is Mark's Lift, whose country is US, and Kid Nation is produced by producer B, whose company name is Dean's, and it is by country US again. And the Tarak was produced by C, whose company name is Rama Productions, and this is by India, right? The country name is India. So C is stand for the I told you about it. The C name is for the company. Okay, great. Now we are going to move to the third table. All these they have mentioned in the question. So they are telling that for each television there would be the name, maybe this is the channel name, and the start year, that when it gets started, and what is the head office. So we wrote here Digi1 1991 in Seattle, and Alex TV, which is 2001 in New York City, and Sub, which is 2014 in the Delhi. So this is all we wrote by our own assumptions, because to understand what they are saying in the question, it is not having any direct relationship with the diagram. This is for the purpose of understanding, so that you understand it very well. So they are having 4 things here in the user table. So they told that when you make user table, you have to make the 4 entities here. The one is the username, the another one is the rating, the another one is the password, and the another one is the age. So we have named the user as a user 1, user 2, user 3, and we have giving them rating. They told that you have to give them rating from, I think, 1 to 10. So the user can rate from 1 to 10, or maybe 0 to 10. It was written in the question. So I have rated accordingly, and then they told every user will have password and every user will have age. So I have given them some age. Now coming to the diagram which we have made it here. So you see, whatsoever they told in the in our question, we have make a diagram for it. For example, they told that in a reality show is broadcasted by a television. So a channel can a channel can broadcast one reality show, and a television on the other hand, there can be n number of reality shows which can be displayed on a television, right? In this way a user can read many. You see, mn, we have discussed about in the our discussion video of when we were studying about the relationships. We discussed about this mn, so you may know about it. So mn is actually discussing many to many relationship. This is many to one, this is many to many. Okay, so a user can rate many reality shows, as well as many reality shows can be watched by a user. So there he is having the many to many relationship. A reality show can have a many attributes, and they are the single valued attribute that we have used this circle. So its name, genre, the basic info. This is the this is not, I think this is the composite, because they told there can be the more than one participants, so we have here put the two participant. Likewise, they told the condition that a producer can only produce one reality show, and the only one reality show will be produced by a producer. So this is that condition that we have put it like this. And a producer can have a company name and company country. So these two things can a producer can have, so that's why we have wrote like that. Okay, likewise a user can have the following attribute, that is the username, rating, password, and age. I already make table for them, so you if you want to refer them again, so you can do it. Right now I am just giving you the relationship. So this relationship between reality and the producer is 1 to 1, and this relationship between the reality show and the television is 1 to n, and this relationship between the reality show and the user is many to many. So this is about the entity relationship diagram. Let me, if it is visible. By the way, I have given you all the pics of these. Anyway, if you want to take it again, you can take it, right? So this is about our relationship entity diagram for the question number 1. And in the question number 2, they have already give us the about the relationship entity stuff. So now we will going to discuss about the question number 2. Thank you, Aziz.